Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be talking about 2024 social media and marketing trends and predictions for 2024. Holy shit, I can't even believe I am saying it's going to be 2024 in a matter of weeks. Wait, no, days. For those that are new here, I am Nick. I'm a social media manager and I run my own agency, working with smaller business clients, smaller creators to just really hone in on their audience and attack their audience with great content and really engaging stuff. I have over 10 years of experience doing this, so I feel like I have an idea of what goes on in social media, working for some of the biggest brands in the past: BuzzFeed, MTV, Tamron Hall, and Queen Latifah. So thanks for watching, and let's get to today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down there and like the video and comment, because that is going to really make me and just kind of give me a good vibe for 2024 and just really like force me to do more on this channel. 2023 has been a crazy year in the world of social media. I feel like we say that every year, but it's the truth, and it's only going to get crazier. However, I do think we're going to start seeing some shifts in what content is available to people on platforms in the coming year. So, my first prediction now, a lot of people went haywire on TikTok on this post.
I hate to say it, but black girl luxury is out. Why? Are you kidding? We are broke.
But at the end of the day, I didn't mean to demean black women at all. I'm personally black, so why would I do that? My point was, not only is black girl luxury on its way out, all luxury content is going to shift. There's no way in an economy the way that we're facing right now, with inflation out of this world, everything is expensive as hell. You walk outside and it's $200. So I just think we're going to see a shift in that luxury girl content, luxury content. It's so much of it too. And after posting my video on TikTok, and you can check out my video on TikTok, I'm going to put it in the description here. A lot of people were saying that that whole community has gotten really toxic. So I think we're going to see some shifts there. Next, AI. Okay. AI is not going anywhere. It's only going to, I guess, exasperate itself in 2024. It is going to improve even further. Copywriting may be a thing of the past soon. I think AI is going to take over a lot of that job eventually. And I think AI is going to take a lot of marketing jobs. However, I don't think that we will ever be, subject to getting rid of social media managers completely, because who is going to actually input all that information? Will it be a computer? Will it be me? Will it be you? Who knows? But I just don't think they're going to completely eliminate the human in marketing because of AI just yet. Who knows? Like, can I retire first? And then third on this list, longer form content is going to make a huge return right here on YouTube and across the internet. I say that because advertisers are really looking for more coins. They invested too much money initially into short form content, and that is everywhere now. We need more formats to give you more ads. So they're going to go back to longer form content and try to get people to watch more videos. You already see it on TikTok. There's ads on TikTok now that are telling you to post minute-long videos or more, and we're going to continue to see TikTok take those videos to the top. Number 4, this one is huge. People are tired of the fake. We want real. We want authenticity. That was the word of the year this year in 2023. So we're going to see more authentic connections that people really crave right now. We want realism. We're tired of the fake nonsense that celebrities are giving us every day. We're tired of we're just tired of the fakeness of all the content out there. People see through it too. So more authentic connections in 2024. I'm really excited about that one. Number 5. Also, how cute is this sweater? I got it from ASOS. And y'all, I bought all this stuff for my trip coming up, which I'm going to post some little mini blogs here on the channel now. I'm really getting serious about YouTube this time. I know I say that like a lot, but I'm really getting serious. Like Natasha, I don't know if you guys know her, but she's a social media manager on here. I'm gonna shout her out in the comments. She really, I listen to her podcast all the time, and all she talks about is you need a YouTube channel. So this time, girl, I am doing it. I promise you, Natasha James, that is. So, anyways, yeah. So I bought all this ASO clothes, and child, none of it fits. I was just like, when did medium on ASOS become small? Like, I used to order mediums on ASOS and they would fit fine, but for some reason, I don't know if I got like bigger chest or bigger what, but I love this little sweater. It's for Christmas. I mean, why not? Anyway, back to the list. Just segue here, honey. Keep up. Number 5, I think we're on. Brands are going to start shifting to one platform versus 8. It's just too much. There's Threads, there's X, there's Twitter, there's Facebook, there's MySpace, there's TikTok, there's Pinterest, YouTube. Girl, pick a platform and do it well, and really hone in on your community there and engage with them. And that is what brands are going to focus on more. They are spread way too thin, and resources are getting slimmer and slimmer. And honestly, there's just not enough bandwidth to do all of these channels. And the last one, yay, we made it to number 7. So, or number 6, I think. A child, math is not my strong suit. So brands and I believe influencers, that whole scene is going to change because it's a lot of self-promotion right now. And I think that's great and all, but brands and influencers are totally going to switch it up in 2024. And I think even creators overall, because again, leaning back into that authenticity approach that I talked about earlier in the video, we're tired of fake shit. We want real stuff. So more entertaining but funny and genuine content, I think, is going to take shape in 2024 versus the self-promo type posts. Nobody cares, babes. There's so much of that out there. More people are craving authenticity, like I've already said. So 2024 is just days away, guys. I'm excited for the new year. I know that my consultancy has had an amazing year, and I'm going to talk about more about that in another video. I am a social media manager for clients all over the tri-state area, and I love what I do so much. And yeah, I'm excited for 2024 and excited to just really see like what the new year brings. So let me know what you guys think of the video in the comments below, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.